Hi guys! So, welcome sa ating bagong video sa ating YouTube channel entitled RJ's Math and Science Workshop, where we learn as one and we learn with fun, alright? So, kumusta kayo dyan? So, kung okay lang kayo, pwede nyo naman express dyan sa comment section at kung ano yung feelings ninyo, ano yung mga ginagawa ninyo, ano yung mga pinagkakabalahan ninyo sa buhay ninyo, we can chat together, okay? Dyan sa comment section, alright? So, we will have our new lesson still with the same concept about quadratic equations. Malapit na pong matapos, guys. We have, I think, 2 to 3 topics in regards with this quadratic equation series. Alright? After this quadratic equation series, we will start our science workshop lessons. It's random. It can be chemistry, physics, it can be biology, or earth and space. Baka mag-earth and space ako, or baka mag-engineering subjects tayo, guys. Preferably chemical engineering, because chemical engineering is my course. So, stay tuned lang tayo, guys. Okay, so ating topic is all about finding the quadratic equations given conditions. So, meron tayong ibang conditions na para mahanap ang isang quadratic equation. Okay? So, given tayo, meron given, then we will solve for certain topics. Okay? We will solve for certain topics. Alright? So, stay tuned, guys, and have a great day. So, before tayo mag-start sa ating discussion, guys, shout out muna. Ito yung pinakahihintay na programa sa lahat. Shout out. So, sino naman siya shout out natin? Oy, si Queenie Syra Dangkalan ng Tacoville to Real Davao City. Okay? So, stay safe in life. God bless you always and have fun. Okay? Stay tuned lang kayo, guys. So, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, like, syempre, subscribe na kayo, like my video, share my videos to everyone, and, let's start the discussion, okay? Hindi tayo magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. So, in quadratic equations, we have given here, five conditions, at ang task natin is to reverse the process. When we say reverse process, di ba sa past discussions natin, we're always tasked to find the roots of the quadratic equation or solutions of the quadratic equation given the quadratic equation itself, di ba? Given the quadratic equation itself. So, dito ngayon, hanapin natin yung quadratic equation. So, baliktad. Given natin yung solutions, given natin yung roots, or maybe there are cases na merong situations na parang kailangan pa natin kunin ng roots with this type, then so on. Marami pa naman. So, ito yung start natin. Let's try this example. First example. The roots is 5 and negative 6. So, paano natin ito gagawin? Isa sa mga basic example dito, guys, is we need to equate each root to x. Okay? So, each root is equated to x. Ganyan. Since reverse process yung gagawin, reverse lang natin. So, x minus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 6 is equal to 0. And this is some sort of property, di ba? Zero product property. Then, ang gagawin is just multiply them. X minus 5 times x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then, you do FOIL. And FOIL method, it will result to x squared plus x minus 30 is equal to 0. Ganyan lang kadali. Ang simple-simple. Okay? So, meron tong alternate solution, ha? Since we have learned in last video, sum and product of the roots. the quadratic equation, then we can use the sum and product in order to get the quadratic equation. So what is the sum? The sum is -1. Product is -30. Therefore, in the format x squared minus or plus negative b over, plus lagi plus. Plus negative b over ax plus c over a is equal to 0. You just plug in. So, x squared plus x minus 30 is equal to 0. And that's it. Diba ang dali-dali? So, if you have questions, comment. Clarifications and recommendations, comment lang, okay? So, maliwanag dito na side, maliwanag, kaya medyo tinatabunan ko. Okay? So, number 2. Number 2 tayo, okay? Ang number 2 natin, guys, is the roots are plus minus 3/8. Ito, mas madali ito compared sa number 1. Kasi we reverse process lang yung, pwede naman, ganyan lang, x is equal to plus minus 3/8. You can multiply both sides by 8. Then 8x is equal to plus minus 3. Then square na naman. Square is become 64x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. And this is your final answer. Ganyan lang kadali. Ganyan lang kadali. Okay? Number 3. Ay, ito. Dali lang. Madali lang itong number 3. 3 is, sum given is 3 and product is 5. Therefore, you just use the format x squared plus negative b over a x plus c over a equals 0. Then, what is the sum? 3. So, x squared plus 3x minus 5, plus 5 is equal to 0. And that is the quadratic equation given. So, ang dali. Di ba? Sisyo na to sa inyo. O, ito, number 4. Paano kaya kung number 4 and number 5? Sige nga. Number 4, you're given the roots of an imaginary. So, may imaginary root tayo. So, ang gagawin dito, pinaka-efficient way, guys, ang pinaka-efficient way na gagamitin mo dito sa pag-solve sa number 4 is you do sum and product of the roots. Okay? So, we do sum and product. Sum is we add 2 plus 5i over 2 plus 2 minus 5i over 2. We cancel this one. We cancel this one. Okay? So, matitira is 2 plus 2 na lang matitira. So, it will become 4, then divided by 2. So, our sum is 2. Okay, sum natin is 2. Paano naman kung product? Sige, product. Pag product naman is, just multiply 2 plus 5i over 2 times 2 minus 5i over 2. Ito, alam natin, 1/4 na yung labas. Times, just do FOIL here. Just do FOIL method. So, it will become 4 minus, eto, pansin nyo naman, sum and product, ano lang siya, yung difference of 2 squares. So, it's just 4 minus 25i squared. And your I squared, remember, I squared is negative 1. So, therefore, it will become 1/4 times 4 plus 25. So, our product here is, ilagay ko lang dito, product is 29 over 4. Diba? Andali. 29 over 4. So, now, ito yung hindi pa to tapos. Hindi pa pala to tapos. Kasi, sum and product may ginawa natin. Lahanin nyo 2 and 29 over 4. Kukunin natin yung equation. So, we use the format x squared plus negative b over ax plus c over a is equal to 0. We substitute values, so x squared plus 2x plus 29 over 4 is equal to 0. So, itong tanong ko, is this final answer? No. It's because we should express the quadratic equation into its integral or integer coefficient. So, lahat ng coefficients are integers. Since 29 over 4 is not an integer, therefore, we need to multiply both sides by 4. Therefore, the final answer will be 4x squared plus 2x plus 8x plus 29 is equal to 0. Ganun lang. Okay? So, medyo hindi nakita kasi medyo maliwanag. So, yan. 4x squared plus 4x squared plus 8x plus 29 is equal to 0. So, if you have recommendations, kung medyo confusing, just chat. Okay? Para hindi tayo malito. Kailangan ng concerns, tulong, comment lang. We will address that one. Okay? For the last, we have the reciprocals of the roots of 15x squared plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, ito medyo complicated. Mataas din ang proseso nito. So, ang gagawin dito is, no choice. You need to solve the roots. Okay? You need to solve the roots. So, ang roots nito, since I just factored this one out into 5x minus 1 and 3x minus 2. 3x plus 2 rather. Tama ba? 15, 7, 10, is 3. Okay, tama. 5x minus 1 and 3x plus 2. Yan yung factors niya. Then we solve, we have x is equal to 1/5 and x is equal to negative 2/3. Ang tanong, reciprocals of the roots. Then we reciprocal. So the reciprocal here is the new x. Lagyan ko ng bar para ma-denote na new root siya. Is 5. And the other root is 3/2. Then we perform sum and product of the roots. Then we can get the quadratic equation. So let's proceed. So sum is 5 plus 3/2. So 5 minus 3/2 na lang pala to. 5 minus 3/2. So we have 10 minus 3. So we have 7/2. So our sum is 7/2. For product, just multiply. Is negative 15 over 2. Therefore, in simplifying, kung na-substitute na niyo sa general form ng sum and product of the roots, therefore, we will get 2x squared plus 7x minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay? So, yan yung final answer natin, guys. And if you have questions, guys, you just comment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, watch the videos full time, and ano pa yung mga recommendations. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. We're looking to see you in the next topic. So have a great day. Okay, guys, follow me on Twitter, Engineer of Jericho. Like, share, and subscribe videos. Watch the videos from time to time. And do not forget to wait for our RG's Math and Science Workshop. Very soon na po na Facebook page. Okay? So, I think this month of August, nandito na yun siya. So, thank you so much, guys, for listening. Have a great day.